Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on your Ford Explorer screen. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is fully on or in the accessory position. The infotainment system typically powers up automatically with the car. If it doesn't, try turning the vehicle completely off, waiting about 10 seconds, and then restarting it. This simple reset often resolves minor display glitches and gets your screen working again quickly. If your screen remains off, let's troubleshoot. Sometimes the brightness might be turned down, or the screen could be in a display off mode, which you can usually adjust in the settings. Also, consider checking your vehicle's fuse box. A blown fuse for the infotainment system is a common culprit, and replacing it can often restore power to your display. Your Ford Explorer's sync system often has a specific power button or control, usually integrated with the volume knob. If software glitches are causing issues, performing a master reset through the system settings can often clear them up. Remember, your owner's manual is an excellent resource for model-specific instructions and diagrams for your particular sync version. For more persistent problems, you might try disconnecting your vehicle's battery for about 15 minutes to perform a full system reset. Also, ensure your sync software is up to date, as updates often fix display bugs. If all else fails, it's best to contact a Ford dealership. Their technicians have specialized tools to diagnose and repair complex electrical or software issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.